coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. It's there.
Team 2468 would like to pick Team 3035 Droid Rage.
3035 Droid Rage would love to graciously accept and are excited to rage on into the playoffs.
Team 2468 Team Appreciate and
3035 Droid Rage
would like to select and run it back with Team 5503 Smithville Tigertrons.
Team 5503 gratefully accepts.
Two, 4, 6, 8, helping out Droid Rage, making it rain with fuel. 30-35 and Appreciate just trying to sweep out as much fuel as they can. Smithville Tigertrons try and play some defense. 5503, 2468, and 30-35.
And become all the rage. Join me in congratulating Team 3035.
Droid Rage and Appreciate both working together to increase that lead. Introducing your Dripping Springs event champions.
It's Sophie G of Team 3035.
Yadartha Saya Chinasani.